Your Training Channel by George Pierce presents. This video is about a free suite of tools that will help you with your YouTube channel. The suite of tools is called TubeBuddy. It is free Chrome extension. You will find a link in the description. The primary browser is Chrome. But TubeBuddy is officially available in Firefox, Edge, and Opera as well. Once you download the extension, you will see a TubeBuddy icon at the top of your page when you visit YouTube. TubeBuddy seamlessly integrates directly into YouTube to help you run your channel. What you are about to see are many of the features that TubeBuddy provides. You will find that TubeBuddy will make managing your channel easy and help you to accelerate the growth of your audience and achieve your YouTube dreams. Another thing that you will see after installing TubeBuddy is Videolytics. Videolytics will give you an instant overview of your video's performance. Videolytics also works on other videos, allowing you to see your competitors' stats, as well as tags. I want you to see that included in Videolytics is a section called Best Practices, which helps you to remember to do all the things that you need to do. I also want you to see the button below the tags that says Show Search Rankings. Click on that button and any tags that are showing up on page 1 of YouTube search will appear with a green box. The number that is in the box is the rank or position of that tag on page 1. As you can see, most of the tags are on page 1 and are ranking well. This is thanks to another free TubeBuddy tool called Keyword Explorer. You will see that tool soon. TubeBuddy is like having an SEO expert helping your channel for free. Click on the TubeBuddy icon and you will see that an arsenal of tools opens up in the right-hand columns, and more free tools will appear in your center screen. Not all of these tools are free, but most of them are. Each and every free tool is going to help you to make your job easier and help your channel. Allow me to point out some of the extraordinary tools that TubeBuddy gives you. Keyword Explorer will help you to find keywords that have good search, good keyword strength, and low competition. Click on Keyword Explorer to access this tool. Next, type in a keyword or keyword phrase into the search box, then hit Explore. Keyword Explorer will give you an overall score for your keyword based on search, competition, and strength. Mr. P recommends that you strive for keywords that score in the green, which makes them more likely to show up on page 1 of YouTube search, thus giving your videos a lot more exposure. Another nice feature is Suggested Shorts. Click on Suggested Shorts and TubeBuddy will show you which videos are most likely going to help your channel as a YouTube short, based on performance. SEO Studio is a tool that is going to help you with your titles and descriptions. You may not know it, but your title and descriptions need to be based on your tags. These are the tags that Keyword Explorer helps you find. This kind of tag use is exactly what the YouTube algorithm is looking for, and again, how you can get your videos on page 1, absolutely free. TubeBuddy will also help you to create tag lists. Tag lists speed up your video creation process immensely, and TubeBuddy makes it easy. TubeBuddy provides you with a video topic planner. When you get an idea for a new video, you can quickly put it in your planner. You won't forget it, and you can easily get back to it later. Adding chapters to your video is another way to help your channel stand out. If your channel is new, it needs to stand out in every way possible. TubeBuddy makes creating chapters super easy and saves you time as well. Adding chapters is one of what TubeBuddy calls best practices, which are the steps you need to take when publishing your videos. These steps include making sure that you have a high-resolution thumbnail, info cards added, end screen added, comment pinned, liked on Facebook, captions added, a comment hearted, and chapters added. Don't worry, TubeBuddy is going to help you with all these steps and all the details. It is going to make sure that you do not miss anything, and it is going to make it easy. For example, TubeBuddy has a free thumbnail creator tool, along with a health report for each video. You also have access to the TubeBuddy website tools, which include step-by-step help with your health report, canned responses for comments, video backup and export, along with easy access to promo links for your videos. You may not have noticed, the snapshots that you have been seeing are from Mr. P's newest YouTube channel. The only money that Mr. P has spent on this new channel was to upgrade TubeBuddy from free to pro. The free version does a great job, the upgraded version, of course, will do more, and do it faster. The success of this new channel is due to TubeBuddy. The channel is about 7 weeks old. So, if you have a new channel, or if your channel is struggling, try TubeBuddy. It probably is exactly what you have been looking for. If you are finding value in this video, Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, thank you. If the content of this video interests you, join the channel so Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching, it is appreciated. Watch this video next.